Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn how to say different fruits in Cantonese. Let me know what your favorite fruit is in the comment. Let's get started. Apple, 蘋果, banana, 香蕉, orange, 橙, snow pear, 雪梨, watermelon, 西瓜, strawberry, 士多啤梨, blueberries, 藍莓, cherry, 車厘子, mango, 芒果, pineapple, 菠蘿, lemon, 檸檬, lychee, 荔枝, dragon fruit, 火龍果, kiwi, 奇異果, 龍眼. Well done today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe for more Cantonese lesson. I'll see you next time. 下次見